In today's world, there are countless opportunities to make money online. The internet has opened up a world of possibilities, and anyone with an internet connection and a bit of determination can start earning money online. This is especially true for young people, who are often well versed in using technology and have a knack for finding innovative ways to make money. In this article, we'll explore some of the best ways for 16-year-olds to make money online. Sell items online. One of the easiest ways for 16-year-olds to make money online is to sell items online. This could include anything from clothes and jewelry to electronics and furniture. There are numerous websites where you can sell items, such as eBay, Amazon, and Etsy. You could also create your own website or online store to sell your products. Take online surveys. Taking online surveys is another easy way to make money online. There are many websites that pay users to take surveys, such as SurveyJunkie, Swagbucks, and Vindale Research. While you may not earn a lot of money from taking surveys, it's a quick and easy way to earn some extra cash. Become a virtual assistant. If you have strong organizational and administrative skills, becoming a virtual assistant could be a great way to make money online. Virtual assistants provide administrative support to clients, such as scheduling appointments, managing emails, and handling social media accounts. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr allow you to create a profile and find clients who are looking for virtual assistants. Offer online tutoring. If you have expertise in a particular subject, offering online tutoring could be a great way to make money online. You could offer tutoring services in a variety of subjects, such as math, science, or language. Websites like Chegg and TutorMe allow you to sign up as a tutor and connect with students who are looking for help. Start a blog or YouTube channel. Starting a blog or YouTube channel can be a great way to make money online, especially if you have a passion for writing, video production, or content creation. You can monetize your blog or YouTube channel through advertising, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. While it may take some time to build an audience, creating content that people find valuable can be a great way to earn money online. Sell digital products. Selling digital products, such as ebooks, courses, or music, can be a lucrative way to make money online. You can create and sell digital products on platforms like Gumroad, Teachable, or Bandcamp. This is a great option if you have a talent or skill that you can teach others, such as playing an instrument or speaking a foreign language. Do freelance work. Freelance work can be a great way to make money online, especially if you have skills in areas like writing, graphic design, or programming. Websites like Upwork and Freelancer allow you to find freelance work in a variety of industries. This is a great option if you want to work on a project-by-project basis and have the flexibility to choose which projects you take on. Participate in affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a type of online marketing where you promote a product or service and earn a commission for each sale that you refer. You can participate in affiliate marketing by joining affiliate programs for products or services that you use or believe in. You can promote these products through your website, blog, or social media channels. Offer graphic design services. If you have a talent for graphic design, offering graphic design services online can be a great way to make money. You can create logos, website designs, or social media graphics for clients. Websites like 99 Designs and Dribbble allow you to showcase your work.